art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw doodle bones from Puppy Playtime Chapter 5, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the head. We're going to split our paper in half, drawing in a circle. So we're going to curve this line down, tucking that back around and in for the left-hand side of our circle. We'll start back on our center line on the top, just replicating that as we curve this back around, dragging that in underneath, blending that together. Let's step out, drawing in the ears. So on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big half circle. And then we'll just line that up at this exact same height on the right-hand side, replicating that, tucking that back in. Let's move in towards in the middle. We're going to step over slightly. For the nose, we're going to curve this down, around, pulling that back up on a diagonal, blending that back together. Let's step over. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. And then we'll come across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now inside of both circles, again, just replicating that, drawing in another circle. Let's draw the cross right in the center. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines joining in the middle to create the letter V. Above that, on either side, just drawing in a small diagonal line at the same width coming out. And now let's pull that diagonal line back in. Again, let's bring that out towards the bottom. Let's bring this line back in on a diagonal towards the middle. And then we'll bring this back through to the center, joining that together. Now let's come up right in the middle. We're going to step over on the left. We're going to curve this around, arching this over and back through on the right. Let's come up. We're going to draw in a circle. In the center of that, drawing in another circle. Now let's come down. We're going to draw a diagonal line on the left and right hand side coming out. We're going to flatten this out on the bottom, pulling that into the middle. Let's draw another diagonal line coming up to the center. And then again in the middle, just two more diagonal lines joining at a point. Now as we move out, we're going to curve this around and up to the top. And then over on the left, curving that up, and exact same thing on the right. Now let's come up, and we're just going to curve this line across slightly as we move up towards the top. Let's come down for the mouth now. On a diagonal from the nose, we're going to curve this line up and over on the right. Let's step around this now. So stepping up, we're going to curve this around, just following the shape of this, arching this around, tucking this back down and in on the bottom. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down, and then we'll leave a small gap, bringing that into the nose. Let's continue this as we come down. So coming underneath, just two small straight lines. Now let's come underneath, drawing in a small curved line right in the center. Step out for the torso, curving that down on either side, ending that at the exact same height. Let's close off the foot. So from that line, we're just going to connect a circle. And now right in the middle, closing that off underneath with another curved line. Let's come out on the left-hand side, arching that into the chin. We'll do the same thing on the right. For the hand, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back in. And then now for the hand, just continuing that as we curve that over and through to our foot. And that is it. That's how you draw doodle bones from Puppy Playtime 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to know to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.